Do you want to speak English like a native speaker? Today, you will learn 30 phrasal verbs used in daily life. These phrasal verbs will help you talk about your daily routine. Wake up. First, wake up. It means to stop sleeping. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Get up. Then, I get up. It means to leave the bed. I get up and stretch. Wash up. I wash up before breakfast. I wash up before breakfast. Put on. Then I put on my clothes. Put on means wear clothes. She puts on her uniform. Go out. Go out means leave home. I go out at 8 in the morning. Come back. Come back means return. In the evening, I come back home. I come back at 6 p.m. Eat out. Eat out means eat at a restaurant. Sometimes, I eat out with friends. We eat out on weekends. Clean up. Clean up means make tidy. At night, I clean up my room. I clean up before sleeping. Take off. Take off means remove clothes. I take off my shoes when I get home. Hurry up. Hurry up means do quickly. Sometimes, I hurry up because I am late. Turn off. Turn off means to stop a machine. I turn off my alarm quickly. Don't forget to turn off the light. Brush up on. Brush up on means to improve a skill. I brush up on my English every morning. He brushes up on grammar. Get dressed. Get dressed means to put on clothes. I get dressed quickly. She gets dressed for work. Head out. Head out means to leave home. I head out at 7 a.m. She heads out for work. Check in. Check in means to officially register upon arrival at a hotel, airport, or hospital. I check in at the office at 8 o'clock. She checks in online. Work on. Work on means to spend time doing something. I work on my project daily. He works on homework. Deal with. Deal with means to handle. I deal with problems at work. She deals with customers. Focus on. Focus on means to concentrate. I focus on my tasks. He focuses on studying. Write down. Write down means to note something. I write down new words. She writes down notes. Go over. Go over means to review. I go over my lessons. She goes over her notes. Take a break. Take a break means to rest. I take a break at noon. She takes a short break. Cook up. Cook up means to prepare food. I cook up dinner. She cooks up a meal. Clean up. Clean up means to make clean. I clean up my room. He cleans up the kitchen. Hang out. Hang out means to relax or socialize. I hang out with friends. She hangs out at home. Wind down. Wind down means to relax after work. I wind down at night. He winds down by watching TV. Set up. Set up means to prepare. I set up my alarm. He sets up his schedule. Turn on. Turn on means to start a device. I turn on the TV. She turns on the fan. Log in. Log in means to access a system. I log into my account. He logs in to study online. Scroll through. Scroll through means to look quickly. I scroll through social media. She scrolls through messages. Check out. Check out means to look at. I check out new videos. He checks out websites. Call up. Call up means to phone. I call up my friend. She calls up her parents. Shut down. Shut down means to turn off completely. I shut down my computer. He shuts down the system. Lie down. Lie down means to rest flat. I lie down after work. She lies down to relax. Fall asleep. Fall asleep means to start sleeping. I fall asleep quickly. She falls asleep late. Now, you know 34 daily routine phrasal verbs. Practice every day, and you'll sound like a native speaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.